So what they did here is replaced the outer rocker panel, but didn't replace the inner or anything. And they just had scab sheet metal, nothing. You have all this galvanized, yucky steel. And now we're fixing the inner so then we can put the new floor in and actually have something to attach to.